The number of children getting vaccinated has plummeted since coronavirus began. It has doctors across the nation and even here locally concerned. Chris 6 News reporter Ashley Portillo explains why.
A pediatrician who works for Driscoll Children's Hospital says since coronavirus began, childhood vaccinations have dropped nearly 40%. It's an alarming number, and that doctor says now more than ever it's important that children are up to date on their vaccinations. Recently, some parents have worried about taking their child to the doctor's office or hospital out of fear of sitting in a waiting room and getting coronavirus. However, Driscoll Children's Hospital's Dr. Boudin says what parents should be worried about is the harm in delaying vaccinations.
Most of us have lived in a time where we've seen very limited measles, mumps, rubella, diphtheria, and all of the illnesses that used to be very common. We're worried about those coming back.
Dr. Boudin says while doctors at Driscoll have seen fewer patients, the patients they have seen have also been much sicker.
And the kids who were sick were coming to the emergency department much later than was ideal. All of our patients have been sicker, over the board, across the board, than what we saw in the past.
And Dr. Boudin says delaying routine medical care and vaccinations can be dangerous, even life-threatening.
Pediatric hospitals across the nation, we've seen cases where kids have gotten to the hospital too late and had very horrible outcomes, including deaths, because the families were afraid of coming to the hospitals.
As for parents like Francisco Alecon,
if you feel like you don't need to take your child to the doctor, then it's on you if anything does happen.
He's not fearful about taking his 5-year-old boy to the hospital because his son's safety comes first.
If it's for kids, I'd take them. Being a parent, you just have to do what you need to do.
Dr. Boudin also said that parents shouldn't be concerned about taking their children to doctors' offices or hospitals. He said they've limited the number of visitors coming in while increasing safety measures like wearing masks and screening everybody who comes in. For now, reporting in Corpus Christi, I'm Ashley Portillo, Chris 6 News.